detox water. It's a very easy way to clean our body, detox our body. This simple recipe will help us to continue detox therapy and lose weight. Every day we can have this. For this recipe we need lemon, cucumber, ginger, mint and water. Simply, nothing else. Very simple recipe, very easy to prepare. It's very much beneficial. First of all, you need to slice the cucumber as per your choice, as per your size, whatever you feel comfortable. One cucumber whole, sliced. Now you need to slice a lemon, full lemon. Slice the lemon. Now we'll take a jug of water. Every day a jug full of water. We need mint also, fresh mint. Mint gives a special taste. We'll add sliced cucumber to the water. Cucumber is loads of nutrient. It's very good for health. So after adding cucumbers, you'll add lemon slices to the water. This one jug water will be drink by next full day. Only this water, no other water. So you'll add lemon slice. Now you'll add mint leaves. We need to slice ginger, almost 20 grams. You clean it and slice it. We'll add this ginger to this water also, and we'll keep this water overnight. You can fridge it also or keep it outside even. Next day morning, we'll strain this water and we'll drink this water whole day. Now mixing all these ingredients, we'll leave the water overnight. Please try this recipe, try this kind of detox water. It will help you. It has no side effect, and water is always good for health. It's a very good recipe. We are trying this for last 6 months and getting so much benefits. This will taste different from normal water. Initially you will not like it, but after a certain period of time, definitely you will like it. So, hope you like the recipe. Please like our channel, Tasty Bong Foods. You can search me on Google, Facebook, YouTube, Insta. Everywhere our channel link is there. Please comment about the recipes. There are several other recipes also. Please watch them, like them and comment them. Thank you for your support.